Why am I not getting emails on my iPhone? Your iPhone is your communications lifeline to the world, which is what makes it so irritating when your iPhone electronic mail is not working. The excellent news is that there are a number of strategies you may attempt to be in contact from virtually wherever. Learn how to repair iPhone email that is not working. There are lots of points that may trigger your iPhone electronic mail to not work correctly. Should you are on this scenario, we have 10 suggestions that may resolve the vast majority of iPhone electronic mail issues. Check iPhone network connection. Your iPhone cannot get an electronic mail if it is not related to the web. That you must be related to a mobile community like a 4G LTE community by way of your cell phone firm or a Wi-Fi network to enter electronic mail. To hook up with a mobile community, faucet settings greater than mobile greater than and transfer the mobile information slider to off/white after which again to on/inexperience. To connect to a Wi-Fi connection, activate Wi-Fi within the iPhone settings. It is also good to make sure airplane mode isn't turned on. Airplane mode can block connections to mobile and Wi-Fi networks. Test electronic mail username and password. In case your electronic mail is not sending or downloading, it might be that there is a drawback with the username and/or password for that electronic mail account. In that scenario, it is probably that you will get a pop-up window asking you to enter your username or password once more. If you aren't getting that pop-up, it's possible you'll wish to take away the email account out of your cell phone and set it up once more. Close the app and relaunch. One fast strategy to repair an app that is not working as anticipated is to stop the app and relaunch it. This may occasionally remedy some issues that trigger mail to not work. When the mail app is closed, faucet the mail app once more to relaunch it. Test electronic mail settings. Email accounts on the iPhone could be set to check email on a schedule, each 30 minutes, for instance, or to have mail pushed to your device as soon as it arrives. The settings you select impression how your electronic mail arrives in your cell phone. Restart the iPhone. In case your web connection is sweet, your settings fantastic, and you've got restarted the mail app, the next step is a standard iPhone troubleshooting measure, restarting your cell phone. Consider it or not, restarting an iPhone can remedy tons of issues. Generally your cell phone simply wants a reset begin. Update iOS using iTunes or update iOS without iTunes. One other key troubleshooting step is to be sure you have the newest model of the iOS. Up-to-date variations of the iOS ship bug fixes and enhancements to options. It is potential that the issues along with your electronic mail are the results of a bug that is fastened with the newest iOS replace or that your electronic mail supplier has modified some settings and solely the newest iOS model works with the change. Delete the email account from your iPhone, then add the account to your iPhone once more. If none of those steps have helped and you are still having iPhone electronic mail issues, there might not be something fallacious along with your cell phone. As a substitute, the issue will be the settings you are utilizing. Should you entered the fallacious server handle, username, or password when establishing the account in your cell phone, you will not be capable of get electronic mail. If that is the case, delete the email account. With the email account deleted out of your cell phone, double verify all of the settings that it's best to use to enter this account. Then undergo the method of including the email account to your iPhone once more. Contact your electronic mail supplier for assist. In case your electronic mail nonetheless is not working, it is time to get some direct tech assist in your electronic mail issues. A great first step is to verify along with your electronic mail supplier, Google for Gmail, Yahoo for Yahoo Mail, and so forth. Every electronic mail supplier has other ways to offer assist. However, a very good wager is to log into your electronic mail account on the net, after which search for hyperlinks like assist or help. Get assist straight from Apple. In case your electronic mail supplier cannot help, you might have an issue that is greater or extra advanced than you may remedy. In that case, it is most likely finest to take your iPhone, and the entire details about the email account, to your nearest Apple retailer for tech assist. You can even name Apple for assist. Apple shops are busy locations, so make an appointment earlier than heading out to be sure you get assist. If it is a work account, Verify along with your IT division. Should you're making an attempt to verify a piece electronic mail account, it could be that the issue does not lie along with your iPhone in any respect. The issue may reside on the email server that you just are making an attempt to get electronic mail from. A short-lived drawback with that server or a configuration change that you just are not conscious of might block your iPhone's entry. If the account that is not working is supplied by your job, verify along with your firm's IT division and see in the event that they can assist resolve the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.